There are many beautiful sayings about life that can help you change your life. It doesn't matter how many mistakes you make. It doesn't matter how slowly you walk. You still win against those who never know the 2 words try hard. Forgiveness is the best way to balance your current life. When you learn to forgive and let go of the past, you will realize one thing. What you need to do is to shift this relationship to a more suitable person. Never hate those who are envious of you. Respect that jealousy because those people are the ones who think you are better than them. The greatest happiness is simply the present moment. You are truly satisfied with what you have. No matter how hard and difficult it is, when we learn to appreciate and love, happiness will surely smile upon us. There is no friend more important than health. There is no enemy scarier than illness. Instead of suffering from the pain caused by illness, stand up and move to add more colors to your life. Anything is fine except for being ill. Having nothing is fine except for having no money. Missing something is fine except for missing health. Health is not everything, but without health, there is nothing left. There are only 3 things to forget. Forget your age, forget the past, and forget grudges. There are 4 things to have, no matter how strong you are. You definitely need someone who truly loves you, have friends who are kindred spirits, have a career that develops day by day, and have a warm home filled with love. There are 6 things you should not do. Do not wait until you are hungry to eat. Do not wait until you are thirsty to drink. Do not wait until you are sleepy to sleep. Do not wait until you are tired to rest. Do not wait until you are sick to see a doctor. Do not wait until you are old to regret. Success is not the final destination. Failure is not a deep abyss. It is merely motivation to help you be more steadfast on the path you are about to take. The only difference between a good day and a bad day lies in your own attitude. When life pushes you to the edge, don't ask why me. Just say, bring it on. Never entrust your secrets to anyone, because if you cannot keep them, why expect someone else to? Like flowers, learn to survive in the harshest circumstances, even when the world thinks you cannot. When you want to find someone to change your life, look in the mirror. Never let the actions of others affect your good character. If others respect you, respect them. If they do not respect you, still respect them. Because you are you, not anyone else. The vast ocean cannot sink a ship if the water does not flow inside it. Similarly, difficulties cannot knock you down if you do not allow them to. Life is only one, so do what makes you happy and be with those who make you smile. If you expect the world to be kind to you just because you are kind to them, it is like expecting a lion not to eat you just because you do not eat it. Life is inherently unfair. Learn to adapt. If someone speaks ill of you or judges you without knowing you, do not be sad. Remember one thing, dogs bark at strangers. Worrying does not stop bad things from happening. It only hides the good things. Try to turn your tears into the serene smiles that you should have. Know that this body and this mind are not you. Do not try to become special to others. Live as your true self. The durability of passion is proportional to the starting of the mind. A steadfast mind is proportional to spiritual experience, not knowledge gained from books. A person's maturity is not determined by age, but by understanding gains and Losses, knowing how to let go and learning to reconcile contradictions. People who have no affinity with you will be useless no matter how much you comfort them. People who are destined to be with you will feel every emotion stirred by your existence. It is not about dependence, but about standards, not a game, but about genuine appreciation for each other. A truly strong person does not care too much about pleasing or winning the favor of others. Do not place too much importance on what is called maintaining social relationships. The most important thing is that you must enhance your own strength. Only when you achieve a certain level will you have corresponding social relationships, not the other way around. It simply means that you value the relationship with that person more than your own ego. Forgiving others is not because they deserve to be forgiven, but because you deserve to be at peace. In life, everyone has their own suffering. Every tree has its flower, and every house has its scene. Talking too much is not beneficial. Not spreading rumors will not make others hate you. Trust and remind yourself to live joyfully without worrying whether anyone is paying attention to you or not. But after those moments, you need to hold your head high and smile brightly. Because life is a book without words, and each person has their own way of reading it. In moments of sadness, remind yourself that everything is to make life more comfortable, joyful, and happy. Sometimes arguing is not a fault of men, but the willingness to comfort their partner is their strength. This has nothing to do with who is right or wrong, but love and tolerance are also responsibilities in love. A person with experience in life may appear young on the outside, but their soul is aged with the burdens of their experiences. A person who is spiritually experienced may seem fake or young, but they are still more mature than someone whose soul is empty. You may work up to 16 hours a day, but the effectiveness of your work may not meet your expectations. But if you do not know how to organize your time and prioritize efficiency, what you do will be a waste of time. The truth is that no matter how great or wonderful the person you admire is, they are ultimately still human. Thank you for joining us on this journey at Vitamin Philosophy channel. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos. Wishing you success always, and see you in the next video.